Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about the respiration. In last video, we have finished growth and the food is necessary. So today we will discuss about the respiration. Here, first they told you to do that. Hold your hand in front of your nose, or first hold your hand in front of your nose. Or keep your hand on your chest. What do you feel if you are holding hand on your nose? That time here you can feel some air coming from the nose. Yes, so that is our respiration. And next, if you are keeping hand on your chest, that time you can feel the pumping. Yes, that pumping of heart. So you can feel if you are keeping hand on your chest, that time you can feel the pumping. Yes, so this, if you are holding hand on your nose, you can feel that the air is coming from your nose. That is respiration. Again, one more example they given here. If we observe the sleeping dog, if dog is there and that dog is sleeping, then that time what the movement of its belly do we see? If dog is sleeping, that time his belly is going up and down, up and down. If you observe carefully, then you can observe that the belly will goes up and down. Yes, so that is again it's his respiration. Because and always he is keeping his mouth open. That is his respiration. For the respiration he can open his mouth. The living things, again here one more example. Yes, again they shown here. Wait, here fish is there. The fish again in water, he he respire with the help of gills. Again here plant also they can respire. Respiration is done in plant with the help of the pores present on the leaves. Here dots are there. With the help of that they can respire. And again the pores present on the stems also they can respire. Next, living thing needs oxygen in order to live. Means all living things for need oxygen for respiration. Without oxygen we can't live. So while respiration while respiration we need oxygen, means inhaling of oxygen is there. Inhaling of oxygen is there, and exhaling of the carbon dioxide, means we are taking oxygen inside and giving out the carbon dioxide which is formed in the body due to the use of the oxygen. That process is known as the respiration. Means in respiration what we are doing, we are taking oxygen and we are giving out the carbon dioxide in the body to use of the oxygen. That process is known as the respiration. Yes, so the plant, in last video we have learned that plant they are making their food. Yes, and in the photosynthesis they are releasing they are releasing oxygens. Yes, they are giving oxygen to us, and They are taking carbon dioxide for making the food. So planting is very important because they give us fresh air, they give us oxygen for breathing. So plants are very important and planting is very important for us. So please do the planting and please take care of the plants. Give them water, nutrient to the plant and take care of the plant. Yes. Next, here animals such as fish, snake, mouse have the specific organs for the respiration. Yes, means they have the specific organs for the respiration. Fish gills, mouse is having the nose, human again nose. Means specific organs are for the respiration. And bird in plant, other hand, the plant respire by means of the microscopic pores on their stems and the leaves. So here plant can respire. Here dots are present on the leaf. From that they can respire. So the respiration is a characteristic of the living things. Means third characteristic is a respiration. Understood? You are getting? So next is the excretion. Next is the excretion. Here one, can you recall one question or two questions they are asked? First one is all the food we eat used by the body? Is all the food we eat used by body? Means whatever we are eating that all will goes in body? No. Some food which is undigested that we are giving out. Yes. Next question. What is the unused part of the food converted into? Means undigested, unused part which is converted into the excretion process. Means the all food whatever we are taking, that is not all digested, some undigested food that which we are giving out, that is waste substances which are in our body, which we are formed during the process of eating that. So excretion, here waste substances are formed during the many processes takes place in the bodies of animal, and these are called as excreta, and the process of eliminating them from the body is called as the excretion. Means unwanted food or waste food which we are eliminating from the body, that process is known as the excretion. So animals have the specific organs for the excretion. So animals, they have the different organs, animals have the specific organs for the excretion. Yes, you are getting what is meant by excretion? So excretion means what? Whatever the unwanted, whatever the waste substance is there, that substance is known as excreta, and the process of eliminating them from the body is called as excretion. Here plant to excrete. Yes, you are thinking how they are not going for the washroom, then they also are excreting. Yes. So for example, if you are seeing some plants shade the leaves in specific season, means some they are shaded, here they shown that plant is shaded here. shade leaves are there, after they are falling again. If summer season is there, that time they are um, shading their plants. After in winter, that new leaves are coming. So waste substance stored in the leaves of plants are shade along the leaves. Means shaded leaves are excrete in the plant. Means plants to excrete. Mean excretion process is also present in the plant. Understood? Are getting what I am telling? For that you have to do one experiment for you. You have to do at home. See here. Here one girl is there. Yes. For that, yeah, for excretion of plant, for what? For that, what you are doing? You have to take a transparent plastic bag. Yes. And take a transparent plastic bag. Tie it over a leaf as shown in the picture here, like this. And means you have to take a plastic bag and tie it over a leaf of plant as shown in the picture. How the girl is tying, just see. To one or two leaves you can tie. Observe it after 6 to 7 hours. You have to observe that after 6 to 7 hours. What do you see? So after 7 to 6 hours, the water, means droplet of waters are collected on the leaves, or water droplets are collected inside the bag. It means that plant excrete water in the form of vapors. Means plant excrete the water, and whatever the vapor is there, again that converted into water, and it will collect in this bag. Yes, so excretion is a characteristics of living things. Yes, understood. So if you are seeing this experiment, if you are doing the experiment in winter season, at the morning you are seeing that water droplets are on the leaves. Yes, because in winter season the cool environment, cool temperature is there, that's why evaporation is not done. So the water droplets are collecting on the leaves. You can see that easily. Yes. So next, here one more picture then. What is the sticky substance seen on the stem of babul or drumstick trees? Here, like this. That is known as the gum. Yes, that is also the gum. It is we can that gum is also we can use for eating. Yes, so today we finished two characteristics. One is the respiration, and second is the excretion. Understood? So today we will stop here. In next video we will see the next characteristic.